Welcome, D. Connie.
And all international flights.
Okay, 31.90. What's your vlog about?
It's just like I just video like my everyday life kind of thing,
Yeah.
and I make beauty videos as well
Oh, wow.
on YouTube.
That's pretty
What's
awesome.
your YouTube name?
Crystal Conte.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It must just get done quick when they want it done.
I think it was under construction for a while. Like, I mean,
That's pretty good. Good one.
hi guys, welcome to another vlog. I am currently in Bali. It is my first time here and the camera actually died on the plane. I think that it was on somehow and then it just ran out of battery. So I missed a bit of the montage of when we landed and went through the airport and everything like that. But we've checked into our hotel and yeah, we're gonna head off and catch up with some friends for drinks, I guess.
Yeah, either quiet bintang, I'd imagine, or two.
And of course, it's really hot and humid right now and I'm not doing so well, so
It's fine.
don't touch me, it's hot. My first cocktail, I got a pina colada, and Dean, what are you drinking?
Casual bintang.
Bintang. You gonna get some singlets?
Oh, maybe. Normal old one is still, I think it's going to rubbish.
Oh, that's nice and cool. So we've just come to the shopping centre. We had a wander around there and now we've just come out and there's the beach right here. Just had a nice wander around the shopping centre. There wasn't too much and everything is in relatively like the same kind of price, if you're wondering. Here's the beach. And then that's the shopping centre, Discovery Shopping Mall. We got our second round of cocktails and this is the view we have right now, just sitting on the beach. And we've got a pool right there, so nice. I just got some chicken skewers for dinner. So we are just walking around and as you can see in the background there's like all these little stalls and everything like that. I haven't bought anything yet. I don't know what I want to buy or where, but you just have to be cautious because they just like, if you look, they'll get onto you. They'll be like, you want to buy that? You want to buy that? Not ready to shop yet. I'm actually very tired. I only got about 3 hours of sleep last night. So yeah, I don't know what we are planning to do. I think we're going to meet up with some people and have some drinks. It's about 9 o'clock at home and it's about 6 p.m. here. I'm just like, oh, I'm so ready for bed. park. We're gonna go there, I think tomorrow we're gonna go there. So that'll be cool. But we're just like walking up the main street. There's so much here. What is that? Oh, Sephora! Huh. Look guys, it's Sephora. Wow. That's cool. We're meeting people at the Dynasty Resort and it's just insane. Like, it's so beautiful here. Ah! We just got a bucket of Midori spice. Thank you. Is the next day, and after our last clip we went out for some dinner at, what was that, bubblegum shrimp, and I felt like I had a really sore throat and I woke up sick. Like, I've got mucus and my throat is killing me, but it's also not a very great day outside. There's been thunderstorms, the rain, this is outside our window, the rain has kind of let up like a bit, but it is so wet outside. So we are going to get some breakfast now. We've got a buffet breakfast at where we're staying, and then I think we're gonna get some massages at the place we're staying as well. So yeah, that is the plan. A whole bunch of people went white water rafting and I was just like, no thank you. We'll catch up with them a bit later today. So here's my breakfast. I have an omelette with a few things in it and then some bacon wrapped in green beans. Yummy. This is our resort where we're staying. So there's a pool when you walk in, and then there's the restaurant, and you just walk in off the street there. So we got some fish in a pan. Loves it.
The big one?
Yeah. Oh, this big one. Oh shit. We just got back to the room and we have booked in for a massage. How much is it, Dean?
I think it works out to be about $30.
$30, and you get a full body massage and a foot massage or foot bath or something like that. We just went through the resort because we just couldn't be bothered, and it's like not ideal weather out there. So we just kind of wanted to stay close by. Breakfast was really nice, but we both ate a little bit too much.
Oh.
I had my food and then I'm like, I'm still hungry, I'm gonna go back for some more. And then I had more and I'm like, I'm full. And my brows are super dark. I just can't believe that happened. It doesn't look too bad with like full makeup on, but like with only a little bit of makeup on, it's just like, hey. I got some mosquito bites last night and they're so itchy and sore, like please help. Okay, so we are out for lunch now, and it's quite dark in here. We've come to this Australian barbecue grill place or something. We just kept on walking and we're just like, oh, let's just go in here. We just got our appetizers, so we got some mozzarella sticks with sauce. So good. I shouldn't be having them, but yeah. You know when you just don't feel well and you're like, I don't even care what I'm eating. Like last night I had some southern fried chicken and a little bit of mash from bubblegum shrimp. I'm like, no. I don't feel too bad today. I feel a little bit bloated, but not like massively, so yeah. So I got a chicken breast. I got mushroom sauce. I didn't expect it to come in like that thick. I only want a little bit of it. And then Dean got a burger with an Aussie flag. I haven't seen one of them in ages. When was the last time you saw one of them?
I haven't seen that. Keep that.
Okay, so we are in the lift right now.
Yeah.
We've just been at our friend's resort. We've had some drinks and now we're all going out for dinner. I just like touched on my makeup and I'm like sweating everywhere.
You think you're sweating? Sweating balls.
This afternoon I just felt really ill, so we just sat in the room and I napped and Dean watched Star Wars, I think. Look how nice the pool is at night. Oh, that massage today. Oh, it was so amazing. It was 2 hours and they massaged your whole body and it was beautiful. It only cost like 32 Australian dollars. And Dean's like, yeah, I'll be coming back tomorrow. So this is our place at night. We're staying at Febri's. As you can see, there's like hardly any people here because of the volcano. So people couldn't get in. It's a little bit busier than yesterday, so hopefully they can get more people in now. Dean's cracking it at me because I'm walking